When we hear the word prostate, we often associate it with men. However, women also have a prostate-like gland called the Skene's gland. Sometimes it is referred to as the female prostate. This gland is a fascinating and often overlooked part of female anatomy. Understanding the structure and function of Skene's glands is essential for a comprehensive understanding of female reproductive health. For centuries, the existence and function of Skene's glands remained a mystery. These small glands, located near the urethra, were often dismissed as insignificant. However, with advancements in medical research, we have gained a deeper understanding of their role in both urinary and sexual function. The study of Skene's glands offers valuable insights into the complexities of female sexual response. It also sheds light on the similarities and differences between male and female reproductive systems. In this essay, we will delve into the world of Skene's glands, exploring their development, location, function, and significance in women's health. Join us as we unravel the secrets of this often misunderstood gland. To understand the Skene's glands, we need to travel back to the embryonic stage. Both male and female embryos share similar structures, including gonads. Around the 6th week, sexual differentiation occurs. In males, the Y chromosome triggers hormone production, leading to testes development. In females, the absence of the Y chromosome sets a different pathway. The Skene's glands in females are homologous to the male prostate. This shared origin explains the presence of PSA in Skene's glands. Imagine a pair of small, pea-sized glands nestled beneath the surface, flanking the opening of the urethra. That's the location of Skene's glands, also known as the paraurethral glands, in the female reproductive system. These glands are situated just below the pubic bone and are embedded in the wall of the vagina. The structure of Skene's glands is intricate, consisting of several tiny ducts that converge into a larger duct. This larger duct opens into the urethra, providing a pathway for the gland's secretions to be released. The glands themselves are composed of glandular tissue, similar to that found in the male prostate. These glandular tissues are responsible for producing a clear, slightly milky fluid. This fluid is released from the urethra, often in small amounts, and serves important functions in both urinary and sexual health. The composition of this fluid, though not fully understood, is believed to contain enzymes, proteins, and other substances that may play a role in lubrication and maintaining a healthy vaginal environment. Skene's glands, while small and often overlooked, are an integral part of the female reproductive system. Their strategic location and intricate structure allow them to perform essential functions, contributing to overall well-being and sexual health. Section 4. The role of Skene's glands in urinary and sexual health. Skene's glands, though small, play a significant role in both urinary and sexual health. While research is still ongoing, several potential functions of these glands have been proposed. In terms of urinary health, Skene's glands are believed to contribute to maintaining a sterile environment in the urethra. The fluid they secrete may help flush out bacteria and other microorganisms, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections or UTIs. This protective function is particularly important for women who are more susceptible to UTIs due to their shorter urethras. When it comes to sexual health, Skene's glands are thought to contribute to lubrication during arousal. The fluid they release may help create a more pleasurable and comfortable sexual experience. Additionally, some researchers believe that Skene's glands may play a role in female orgasm. The exact mechanisms by which Skene's glands contribute to sexual function are still being investigated. However, the presence of nerve endings and erectile tissue in and around these glands suggests that they are involved in sexual response. Understanding the role of Skene's glands in both urinary and sexual health is crucial for women's overall well-being. Further research is needed to fully elucidate their functions and potential therapeutic implications. Section 5. Female ejaculation, a closer look. Female ejaculation is a physiological phenomenon documented for centuries. Skene's glands play a central role in this process. During sexual stimulation, these glands secrete fluid. This fluid is clear and slightly milky. In some women, the fluid release is substantial. The composition of female ejaculate is debated. Some studies suggest it contains prostate-specific antigen, or PSA. This supports the idea that Skene's glands are homologous to the male prostate. Further research is needed to understand female ejaculation and its relationship to Skene's glands. Understanding this phenomenon is essential for promoting sexual health and well-being in women.